If you aren't sure what B-roll is, or you aren't sure why people aren't watching your videos, stick around, because in this video, not only am I going to explain to you what B-roll is, but why it's important for your videos and how to find good B-roll. Welcome back. My name is Trina. If you are new here, and on this channel, I help creative entrepreneurs just like you figure out how to start using YouTube in your business strategy. I'm posting new videos every Monday and Wednesday to help you out, so make sure you click subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, if you're just getting started here on YouTube, or if you're wondering why nobody's watching your videos, it might be because they're not any good.
Oh, excuse me?
And one of the easiest ways to make your YouTube videos better is to add B-roll. So what is B-roll? So right now I'm speaking to you, this is the A-roll. And when I add supplemental footage like this, that is B-roll. That just supplements the video and gives you more context to what I'm talking about. Not only does it more show you than just tell you with a talking head here, but it also keeps the eye engaged because I'm changing up the scenery so you don't get bored and people don't leave your video. You see, what YouTube is looking for in a video is a video that keeps people's attention. And you can check this out on audience retention. I have videos that explain to you how to do that. But the more you can keep people engaged in your video, the longer they're going to watch your video, the more likely they're going to get to the end of your video, the more valuable your video looks to YouTube. So YouTube's going to start recommending it out, getting you more views. So now you know what B-roll is and why it's so important. Let's talk about how you can find B-roll. So one thing you can actually do is buy it. You can go to storyboards.com, and it's a stock video site. So you can buy stock video files to add into your video footage. They have stuff like working at a desk, or basically anything you want to type into there, you can find and buy it and add to your video. You can also add stock photos in here as well to make your video more engaging. I use Hootstock. So if I'm talking about like working in a group and I don't have that B-roll, I can't grab that, I can throw an image like this. So it looks like a group, and I have the Ken Burns effect. So it's moving, so it kind of looks like a video, just to keep you more engaged. Now, one of the best tips that I have for you is to start creating a B-roll library for yourself. I like to keep mine in Google Drive, so me and my editor also have access to it. And some of the footage that I'm starting to create in my B-roll footage is video of me working at my desk, video of me working in my planner, walking outside, setting up my equipment. These are types of videos that I use consistently through my videos. So if I can just take a day to shoot all these different pieces of video and keep them in my B-roll library, it's easier for me to start incorporating that B-roll into my videos to keep you more engaged, and it's of actually me and not stock photos. So what I suggest for you to do to make your videos better is think about B-roll that you could add into your video that you would use a lot. So if you are a social media manager, maybe it's you on your phone at your desk, or maybe it's you typing on your computer. If you're an exercise instructor, maybe it's of you exercising, or of your feet running. Anything that you can really show what you're talking about instead of just telling it is going to keep people watching. Now, you can easily grab this B-roll with your phone, with your camera, with your webcam. Just start accumulating this footage into your library, and it's going to make your videos better, and it's going to make your life so much easier when you start editing these videos. And yes, you can use the B-roll footage in more than one video. I do that all the time here, and you probably don't even notice. It's just a lot easier because it's the same things over and over, and not everybody watches every single one of my videos. I would love to know in the comments if you're going to start shooting your own B-roll for your very own B-roll library. And don't forget to watch that video that's on your screen right now to help you make your YouTube channel even better. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for new videos every Monday and Wednesday on how to use YouTube to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.